Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I'm going to be unboxing this microphone kit from Fifine. They have sent me this to unbox and give my opinion on. This is the AM8 PROT. This is a full kit, so it comes with the arm and the microphone. We're pretty familiar with Fifine stuff at this point. It is pretty dang good for the price, and if I have found the correct listing, you can get this kit for just under $100. $94.99. I think something interesting about this one that I do not really notice or see in a lot of kits is the RGB trim. For example, this microphone right here is also Fifine, and we've been using this in the voiceover room for quite a bit, and we quite like it. So if it's anything like that in quality, what you're hearing right now, this is going to be a pretty good deal. But yeah, here are some of the cool features. The stands, I usually like the more minimal one, where this one comes a little bit higher, but I have not seen or experienced one with RGB trim, so I'm curious on how that's going to power. I'm guessing it's going to come down and you're going to plug it in like via USB or something, and maybe it'll power with the mic. We'll see about that. And it looks like it's going to have all the RGB goodness that you want if you want to match the colors of a setup. And of course, it can do USB and XLR, depending on if that matters to you. Now, here's everything this comes with. It comes with an 8-foot USB cable, very long for those bigger setups, a boom arm stand with the RGB trim, that is looking pretty bigger than this low profile one, which I believe they sell those as well. And it has a C-clamp, obviously, because you're going to need to put it on your desk. And then the mic itself that screws on really easily. And then the user manual, overall looking like a great deal. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it's all about. So to start it off, I absolutely love their clean, minimal packaging. When you open up the box, you're greeted with their instruction booklet, which I highly recommend looking through, because there's some features on this mic that you might not fully understand unless you give it a glance. So I would definitely do that to start it off. And right here they have the 8-foot long USB-C to USB-C cable with a USB type A adapter. So to use this microphone and all of its features, you're going to need 2 ports. I mean, it could either be a C or a 2 type A's, but if you want to power the RGB as well as for the mic to work, you're gonna need 2 ports. If you're like me and use a lot of your ports, it's just something to keep in mind. But you don't absolutely need to plug in the RGB to make the mic work. That's really just for aesthetic. Now it comes with this nice clamp. It's pretty small, not really much to say about that. And then this arm, when folded, is actually not quite as big as I thought. It is bigger than some of the low profile ones that we like to use around the office, and it will rest a little bit higher. So it does remind me kind of more of some of the budget microphone arm stands that you can find on Amazon. But this one is nice. It has some Fifine logos on the side, and it does have that RGB trim to really give it a little bit more value. And that cord is built inside of the arm, so you don't need to set that up. And then lastly, we have the mic itself, which offers this very clean design, which will definitely show up well on a camera if you're a content creator. With that RGB trim on the bottom, this is definitely a pretty cool eye-catching mic design. I like a more squared off mic. It looks really cool. It is a little bit bigger too than some of the mics out there, and you can remove the foam covering as well, but I wouldn't really recommend it. Okay, so I've recorded a little bit on the new mic, and here's how it sounds. Testing 1 2 3, testing. Now a little further back here, testing 1 2 3, testing. As you can hear, it is extremely clear. Same with this microphone, that's also Fifine. They both sound pretty close. They're both very clear. But here's the mic laid out. It was extremely easy to assemble again. You really just put this clamp onto your desk, and then it has the hole here on the top that you connect the mic arm to, and then you screw on the mic itself. And I would say the sound quality is very good. I mean, that's why we chose Fifine for our main voiceover room set, which is very important that the sound quality is good on a set like that. I think for the price, this whole bundle is extremely good, especially if you are content creating. If you really just want a good mic for gaming and more casual, it might be worth it just to get the mic itself, They usually have some sort of circular stand, but I think the arm is cool too. But yeah, this whole package really feels that nice step up from budget end. So you're getting a good high quality product that feels good as well as sounds good. So really can't go wrong for less than $100. If you can find it cheaper, that's even better. So let me know in the comments down below, what mic are you rocking in 2026?